Today we're going to make Korean spicy rice cake, Tteokbokki. It is one of the most popular Korean street foods. It is chewy, it is spicy, it is slightly sweet. It's super delicious. To prepare the rice cake, in a bowl, place in the rice cake and warm water. Soak it for about 15 minutes and drain. I have removed the anchovies, guts, and heads. Put the anchovies in a spice bag. To make the Korean anchovy stock, in a pot over medium-low heat, pour in the water. Add the spice bag and dry kelp. Bring it to a simmer and cook for about 15 minutes. Remove the spice bag and dry kelp. Season the stock with gochujang. It is available in any Korean supermarkets. Korean hot pepper flakes, gochugaru, soy sauce, and sugar. Mix well. Now we're going to turn to medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. Drain the rice cake. Stir occasionally. And cook for about 5 minutes until the rice cake is softened. Now we're going to put in the fish cake. Boil the eggs and scallions. And continue to cook for another 3 minutes until the sauce is thickened. This is super delicious, very aromatic and highly addictive. I can see why this is one of the most popular Korean street foods out there. It's so delicious. I really enjoy it. But you cannot take so much heat. You can also add less gochujang and the chili pepper. That's totally fine. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and if you like it, subscribe and thumbs up, and also share this awesome video with your friends and your family, and I will see you again next week. Bye!